Hey guys, it's Joey and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a plan with me today for the second week of December, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and change out the cover that I have. As you know, I opened up my own Etsy shop, and so I have several covers that I offer as digital downloads, and so I am going to be changing out my cover. I do have a new one that I'm putting on that is from Friends. It's the one where it's Christmas, and if you guys are Friends fans and you know what this is referring to, this episode where Ross is the the holiday armadillo. And yeah, so it's funny. It's a great episode. I really love it. I highly recommend it if you've not watched it. Anyways, so I am going to be putting this cover on, and then I'm going to start the weekly plan with me. Now, I do have a kit this week that is from Life in Envelopes, and Jen at Life in Envelopes does have a discount code that I have that you can use, so I will make sure to mark that in the description below. So I'm just going to set my old cover off to the side and open it up to the current week. So we are planning for December 7th through December 13th. I'm going to go ahead and lay down this adorable washi tape. This kit is called the Peppermint Latte, and this is the thick washi that she offers for it. Now, I'm not quite sure if she still has this kit in her shop, but I do know that she has a few others that are Christmassy or wintry kits. So I know that you can still order something along that lines if this kit is not available. So I'm gonna go ahead, trim this washi up, and then start on the other side, and then I'm gonna lay down all of my washi tape for this next week. Alright, so let's get started. Also, I want to pop on here and say that YouTube tells me that I have about 85% of my viewers are not yet subscribed. So if you enjoy Plan With Me's or anything planner related, then I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you can continue to receive more content like this from me, and you'll get notifications as well if you hit the bell at the side. That will let you know when I upload a new video. So just a little tip there, if you want to make sure that you are getting all of the content that I put out there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I thought I had enough of my washi from her kits, but I actually think I'm going to be short, so I'm going to use, well, hold on, let me think about this. That might not be the case. Yeah, I am. I'm going to be short, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Simply Gilded washi tape. That is the red bows with the silver, the red washi with the silver bows. Holy cow. That way I can make sure that I have enough for it all. And I'm going to come back and trim this little piece right here at the end. There we go. Alright, I think all of my washi is down. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some full boxes down. I am going to use these adorable candy canes to cover the calendar here at the top left-hand corner. And I'm going to go ahead and lay down my full boxes. I got a little bit of washi tape on my finger. I'm going to lay some full boxes all the way across in the area that I usually use for work appointments if I have anything coming up. And as usual, if I have something come up for work, then I will just simply use a little piece of the quarter boxes or half boxes, and I will write them in on top. Otherwise, I'm just going to leave them the way they are. Now, I do have a couple of things coming up this week for work, and so I will write those in. But for the most part, everything is... There's just not a lot of meetings going on right now, which is good. This time of year is busy enough as it is, with school and getting all the stuff done that we need to before Christmas break. So I think it's helpful to not have a ton of stuff going on. So now I'm laying down my half boxes. These are for meals. Let me see if I have enough though. I want to make sure. 1, 2. I'm gonna use it, and then I might have to use like a smaller one for the weekend, but that's okay. So I am gonna rotate between a solid and the snowflake one. And these are to write in the meals that we have throughout the week. And then I will come back and put in the stickers that I use for steps, keeping track of my steps that I do every, let me think about this. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one in. So I track my steps every day, but you know what? I've been doing some biking on my stationary bike, and unfortunately, they don't show up with my step counters. So if you guys know how to convert your cycling to steps, like my Apple Watch just doesn't pick it up. It doesn't track it. So it makes it hard for me to really know what like an accurate count would be. I just don't know. It doesn't really, it's not reflecting that for me. So it's kind of a bummer, because I would really like to know really what my steps are. You know, it just doesn't show me. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I have some from my kit that I used last week. I have some water trackers, and actually the colors, except for the orange, they all go pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in some water trackers at the bottom here for each one of these days, because I really loved that kit. I really loved how the colors kind of tied in, and I didn't get to use all of it. This was a kit from last week that was So Cute planner. So if you didn't see that plan with me, you can, I will try to link a card above so you can click on it. But I really loved the kit, and I had a lot of leftover stickers, so I thought, well, why not use them? Because they actually go pretty well with the colors of this kit. So I don't have one that is, and I'm just gonna throw an orange one down. I know it's not like the perfect, I know it's not really the perfect color, but you know, c'est la vie. All right, I am going to throw down, I'm gonna cut these in half though, because they're really long and I don't need all 6 of them. I can actually do 3 and 3. Okay, let me flip it over, do it again. All right, now I am going to go back and stick down some stuff for my sidebar, since I haven't done that yet. So I'm gonna use this red washi that came in the kit in the peppermint latte, and I'm going to lay down a pink checklist to put down my cleaning list. And I'm going to use a script sticker from Sticker Mama, and it's going to say to clean, and I will put down all my cleaning list. Then I'm going to put down another piece of washi. So I have some stickers from Chrissy Ann Designs that I get at Michael's, and there is basically an exercise one, like an exercise packet that you can buy, and I'm pretty sure they have exercise. Yeah, they have workout ones here. So I'm gonna pull out this pink one. And I'm going to put that right here. All right, I'm gonna put down another header or washi. Okay, and then I really think that I'm just going to lay down another one of these check boxes to track my December daily. All right, moving on. On Monday, I do have a meeting for work. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down a sticker in my work area. And I am gonna write in that I have a meeting. All right, and then on Tuesday, let's see, I don't think I have anything. Yes, I do. I had another meeting on Tuesday. Wednesday, nothing as of yet. Something may come up. Thursday, oh gosh, sorry guys, I just always forget. That's terrible. I have nothing on Thursday other than a payday. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down a payday sticker. These are stickers from Planner Kate. And I'm going to just lay it down right here. Middle of the day. Friday, we generally just have a movie night, so I'm going to lay down, this is the free sampler that Jennifer gives in all of her orders, and so this one is going to just say movie night, but I think I'm going to stick it right here. Yeah. And I am going to go ahead and put in, my son does do boxing, so I'm going to put in 2 places for that. I think I'm going to put in this one for Friday. And the other one is going to be on Tuesday. And I'm going to write that in really quickly. Let's see, there's nothing else going on Wednesday or on Thursday that I know of. I am going to clean the house on Saturday, so I'm going to put that right here. Oh, actually, I'm going to move it up here. I also have plans to edit and upload and film, edit. I'll get it here straight eventually, guys. But I'm going to film, and I'm going to stick down one of my little cameras that I have from Sticker Mama. This film comes from Planner Kate. These little cameras that I'm pulling up for you is from Sticker Mama. We also will be doing a grocery shopping on Saturday. So I'm just gonna lay down grocery shop. Actually, I'm gonna put that on one of these little quarter boxes. Just gonna lay down grocery shop, and I'm going to put down one of my little girls. This girl comes from DEK Designs. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put edit and upload for Sunday, and I'm going to just put edit here, upload here, and I'm gonna use one of my little girls that has a computer, also from DEK Designs. Then right here, I do plan on doing some laundry on Saturday as well as some cleaning. So let me go ahead and lay down a little cleaning girl that I'm going to, gosh, I thought I had more laundry ones. Oh, I do, okay. I generally do some laundry on Friday and then I fold on Saturday. So I'm going to say laundry, and then floors and fold. And then my son also does have an appointment on Friday morning that I forgot to mark, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. And it's early, so I'm gonna write that down. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, we always do a family Zoom meeting, so I am gonna put down a little Zoom sticker that also comes in Jennifer's little freebies, and that might be it. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it. I do have trash that comes out on, we always set our trash out on Sunday evenings, so, gosh, this little guy is huge, isn't he? Maybe I'll pull her off and put a smaller one, and I'll do my bigger trash guy, because holy cannoli. Edit upload is going to be on the same line with my little computer girl, and then I'm going to put my little trash guy right here, and I'm going to mark Trash Eve. Whoops, not that side. I do want to mark that we have church on Sunday morning, even though it is unfortunately for us online right now. We are not able to go. Our 3-year-old just won't sit that long. So we are going to mark that with a little strip of this red washi so that it stands out a little more. Put church right there. We will be watching it online, so I will put her back up there. I think that's all I have for you right now, guys. So this is what I have so far. Oh, I am going to go ahead and put down my little countdowns for the countdown to Christmas. So let's see. I have to see. 19. Okay, so this is day 18. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put them down here towards the bottom. So I have 18, 17. No, they're not laid down perfectly, but that's okay. 16. These are super cute. These came from Sticker Mama as well. And these are, I believe, like the glossy is what she calls them. They're ones that I wouldn't plan on writing over anyways, so that's why I ordered them in glossy. I think you can order them in matte as well. I just wanted it to be in glossy. All right, ends at 12 days until Christmas. Yay, so exciting. Let's see, let me go back over here one last thing. I do have this extra little piece of washi, and because I've got that extra space down there, I think I want to put this underneath. So let me put that down before I sign off, because I think this would just be really cute. There we go. All right, let's open it up and see what I got. All right, there we go, guys. This is this week for the week of December 7th through December 13th. I think it turned out really cute. I definitely will continue just to lay some more things down, more stickers if I need to throughout the week, just to kind of, you know, fill in some space and things like that. You know, there's some little extra pieces of washi that I have left over. So that's really it. I pretty much used up the entire kit though. I'll show you what I have left. I have nothing left on this page. That is gone. And then the only thing I have left on this page is one quarter box and 2 little pieces of washi, and that's it. So I used it up pretty well. All right, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!